that learn from the internet and give it back to the internet. And they really started making fun of me. I gifted my father, my dad, an iPhone out of my own money. A creator from a small city can win an award, which is a national based awards where celebrities are sitting with you in the VVIP section. I was failed in half yearly. Like, that was really, I was never failed. I never failed in school. Mumbai is a city of crazy people, but I feel that somehow we have dropped our level of life. Namaskar, my name is Pranay and I come from a city called Devas, which is a small town in Madhya Pradesh. And I've been creating content for the past four and a half years now, since I was in my class 10th. And I've been an entrepreneur since I was in my class 11th. So technically I am into this field of outside academic, what you call these non-academic things, which generally at that time when I was in my school, it was not so common of doing something out of the academic thing. But I tried, I gave it a shot, and everything happened. So in this video, I'll be describing my entire journey, that how all these things came brick by brick and step by step, and what I have experienced like in the field of YouTube or in the field of entrepreneurship or emotionally or mentally. Because I feel that there are a lot of things that I have learned across this period. There were some amazing ups, there were some great downs that I was like literally fallen. But all these things, like at the end, like I really enjoy being either I'm in that upside of the the high life, or if I'm like I feel that I'm going a little down or I'm feeling down. In both the cases I really enjoy, because I feel like okay man, this is the life that we want to experience, and these are just a few things जो कि होना ही है. तो अगर वो होना है, if it is meant to happen, then let's just chill about it. Like, it's okay whatever happens. So if I talk about my journey, I began well, I was a tech enthusiast. I used to like see mobiles and open computers and stuff. So my father always used to call me since I was as long I remember in my class 6th or 7th or even class 5th, anything goes wrong, papa would call me that कि ये खराब हो गया, इसको ठीक करना है. तो आई वुड रियली एंजॉय डूइंग दैट. एंड ऐसे हर कोई यूट्यूब पे वीडियो डालता है ना, मतलब मैक्सिमम लोगों ने डाला हुआ है. तो आई पुट माई फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब इन 2011 or 12. But it was really random, like it had nothing to do with anything. Then the time came when I thought that okay, let's start YouTube thing. In that I was in my class 10th, though April वाला time होता है. So I uploaded my first video on 4th of April 2016. It was my class 10th going on at that time, मतलब उस time पे शुरू ही हुई थी class 10th. And I uploaded that video, and first few videos were in English. And at that time I didn't tell anybody, मतलब ना मेरे घर वालों को पता है, ना मेरी फैमिली को पता है. Even my closest friends didn't know about it. I just thought that okay, I would not tell this to anybody, and I tried to keep it secret कि अगर मेरे फोन में वो ऐप भी है ना तो मैं उसको हाइड कर देता था, ताकि no one can see that I'm uploading videos on YouTube. Not because it was restricted from my family or anything, but I really felt shy that I would be saying something and someone else would be saying, and what would be his or her reaction and all. So I just kept it a secret. My family even didn't know. I recorded videos in like the main drawing room. There I used to record my videos when no one was at home. So my sister was in college. My parents would go down in the office, and I was there alone at home. As soon as I came back from school at about 2 o'clock, I just came, changed the clothes and washed the face, whatever, and I just sat down, recorded videos when no one was there. And if someone came, I would just my camera बंद करके उसको छुपा देता था, like no one can see it, like what's going on. So I really enjoyed it. I liked it. So I kept on making videos. First few videos were in English. Then I thought of switching to Hindi. And at that time when I started making videos, the thing that I'm really happy about is that when I started making videos from my city, I think hardly there would be like 3 to 4 other creators. Like that, it was a big deal that time. It was not easy making YouTube videos because there were no resources. But I learned somehow that how to do it, how to do things, how to manage everything. I learned it from YouTube and gave it to YouTube itself. So it was my funda from the beginning, that learn from the internet and give it back to the internet. So I did that, and eventually I came to know all these things, what happened. So I will not talk much about just YouTube, but I will talk more about like how I feel that I've evolved a little bit from that time, both mentally and socially, like it's for the lack of a good word. So if I talk about that time, so I started making videos, then eventually I told it to my father that this is the thing, ऐसा ऐसा है, so I make videos, and he was like कि ठीक है, मतलब क्या है उसमें, कर रहा होगा तो करने दो. But he was really skeptical, like he was like कि 10th boards है, so you need to study and all. तो I was like okay, मतलब मेरे घर वाले हमेशा से इतने ज़्यादा फोर्सफुल नहीं रहे पढ़ाई को लेके, because they thought, I don't know what's the problem, because they thought कि ये साल भर मस्ती करता है, but at the end एग्जाम में कैसे ना कैसे करके he manages to score quite decent amount of numbers, quite decent marks जो कि अच्छे reputed माने जाते हैं. तो आई टोल्ड माई फादर, फिर मैंने अपने एक दोस्त को बताया, एंड आई टोल्ड हिम दैट डोंट टेल टू एनीबडी, किसी को भी मत बताना, वॉट एवर हैपन्स डोंट टेल. एंड देन यू नो आई केप्ट ऑन अपलोडिंग वीडियोज, एंड वन डे आई हिट 1000 subscribers, and a few friends came to know about it, and they really started making fun of me. And it was like, you know, like there are 4-5 boys in a group, and you just do anything good, and like it just starts to happen. And I'm not defaming it कि यार ऐसा क्यों किया, बिकॉज आई नो अगर कोई दूसरा भी कुछ अच्छा कर रहा होता तो हम भी मजाक उड़ाते उसका. तो इट्स वेरी चिल्ड अबाउट दैट कि उन्होंने मजाक उड़ाया, एंड आई वाज इट्स ओके, मतलब उड़ाना तो उड़ाओ, बट इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता उनकी बातों से. देन आई स्टार्टेड kept on making videos. Now a few good incidents started happening. I hit 1000 subscribers. I was really happy because that was a big deal. I think it was like 7 to 8 months since it took time to reach 1000 subscribers. Then my class 10 board exams came, and I remember that I scored fairly good. It was 9.4 CGPA. And when I entered class 11, then a lot of my school friends also came to know about it, because like it's just mouth publicity going like fire. तो वैसा हुआ, बहुत सारे लोगों को पता चल गया, एंड अगेन इट वाज सेम, आई वाज वेरी रेडी फॉर दैट मजाक उड़ाने वाली चीज. बट बिफोर दैट व्हेन आई एंटर्ड क्लास 11, सो आई चोज साइंस स्ट्रीम, मैथ्स एंड साइंस, but it's okay. And one more thing that was really good was that in June 2018, like when I was in class 11th, I gifted my father, my dad, an iPhone out of my own money, and that was like damn, मतलब बहुत महंगा होता है iPhone, और I gifted, मतलब it was a cheap iPhone, it was not that expensive, 70 से ज़्यादा वाला, it was like 25,000 something, but it was a big deal. like मैं खुद अपने पैसे से और घर पे सीक्रेट रख के, मैंने सिर्फ अपने भैया को बताया, ही ऑर्डर्ड इट एंड आई ट्रांसफर्ड द मनी टू हिम, एंड इट वाज रियली सीक्रेट. तो उस टाइम जो मेरा शेड्यूल था, इट वाज लाइक 8 to 2 I went to school, then this gap of 2 to 5, because I was going to a coaching, so I had to go there at 5. So between that 2 to 5 time, I managed to like create video, edit it, and then transfer it to my phone, because net was not that fast. So I used to like transfer it to my phone, and on the way to coaching I uploaded it through mobile data, and this is how it happened. And every day, like every 2-3 days, my video went live, and the same process were going for like 6, 7, 8 months till my class 12th. Now in my class 11th, one incident happened that my coaching teacher came to know about this channel. I was really prepared that he would be saying ki you shut down this YouTube channel, you just shut everything off and start studying. But somehow he told me that you are doing a really great job, you just keep on doing it, maintain your studies, and I will support you in this. And I was like, man, ये कैसे हो सकता है, ये आदमी मुझे ऐसा करने का कैसे बोल सकता है. That was again, I would say that if at that time that person would have told me कि मत कर, और अगर मैंने उस टाइम बंद कर दिया होता तो शायद मैं ये वीडियो नहीं बना रहा होता. बट ऐसे ही छोटे छोटे इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं, एक दो इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं जो कि आने वाले कई चीजों को डिसाइड कर लेते हैं. नाउ थिंग्स वर गोइंग रियली गुड, लाइक आई वाज गेनिंग क्वाइट लाइमलाइट इन माय स्कूल and quite limelight in my city as a whole, because there was this one creator who has like 50-60,000 subscribers and all. So I felt really happy, but there were a lot of ups and downs as well. I will talk about them in the later part of the video, that about my emotional and mental state. But if I talk about a few incidents, then I really never thought that I would manage to like get like even see an Apple laptop before the age of 24 or 25. But I don't know how things happen so fast that in 11th class I purchased a MacBook Air out of my own money, and that was like, oh my god, that was like, I was so freezed while unboxing that package. I was dancing like anything, and again that was a secret. Now you might be feeling that I say a lot of ki theek hai yaar, chill yaar. So there was one incident, it was very subtle, it was not that significant. But what happened was that my father runs a school, so we were about to create an annual function, like the annual day of the school. But this time we thought of making it a grand annual function, so we thought of recording it, like the pre-recorded functions which are recorded in studios, and the screen is synchronized. Now this thing costs around 80,000 to 1 lakh plus. I thought that ठीक है मैं कर लूंगा, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ. तो मैंने एक सस्ता सा माइक खरीद लिया 4-5 हज़ार वाला, एंड आई थॉट दैट ओके विल डू इट. तो द स्टूडेंट्स हु वर टू डब द ऑडियो, आई टुक देम टू अ स्टोर रूम. उसमें देयर वाज अ कूलर, अ मेटालिक कूलर, उसके ऊपर माइक रख के दे यूज्ड टू रिकॉर्ड दिस. सो आई रिकॉर्डेड द ऑडियो एंड पुट द बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक एंड ऑल एंड एडिटेड एंड ऑल. But I was feeling like, man, this is a really big project, and I was like, oh my god. So basically, I study in Vindhyachal Academy, which is not the same school as my father's, because my father didn't let me study in his own school because of some weird reasons that he thought that I might not be able to maintain a gap between that family and academic feeling, which I now feel was a really good decision of him. I was like, I blew like कि मैं कैसे करूँगा इतना बड़ा project. So I told one of my friends that, man, मेरे से ये मतलब हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा. And she was so chilled. She didn't thought that it would be so significant for him. And she told कि अरे कर लेगा यार, तू तो हो जाएगा यार. And I was like, it was not so significant for her to say this, but it just fit in my mind. And eventually I did that project. And that was one of the most significant annual functions of all time throughout of this school, of my father's school. Now things started growing. I was in my class 12th now, and class 12th, it was November 2018. That was the best month of my life till date. I was invited by Social Media Summit and Awards. That is the largest social media summit and awards of India by Andhra Pradesh government. I went there. There were like big Bollywood and Tollywood stars like Kareena Kapoor and all. And I won the award there, and that was like so blowing for me that a creator from a small city can win an award, which is a national based awards where celebrities are sitting with you in the VVIP section. And that was really amazing for me. I was covered by all the newspapers of my city, all the articles of my zone, and some really big names of the articles as well. And that was really amazing. And the same month, I hit 100,000 subscribers on my channel. That was again amazing, and I received the silver play button. But one more thing that happened in December 2018 was that my parents' 25th anniversary was that time. And I thought of gifting them something, and we had this thing in mind that we needed to purchase a new scooty for like around 8 to 10 months. But we didn't do it because like it just kept on postponing. But that time I thought that okay, let me give it a shot. Can I do it? I thought that okay, let's do it. So I literally went out with my sister. I didn't tell to anybody. I just went out. I went to the showroom. I pulled the check, and I literally purchased one scooter and gifted them on their 25th anniversary, and they were not aware of this. Even no one was aware of this, even not my friends. Just my sister was aware because I was not 18 at that time. So I had to take it, I had to purchase it on her name. But I would not talk much about it. You can just feel that what I might be feeling. In 11th class, I forgot to mention one thing. I started one Instagram page called Vastrkeda. So it was just an Instagram page. I thought of designing t-shirts because I was designing a t-shirt for my channel at that time. And I thought that why not design t-shirts for people, whatever they say, the text, like I want XX anything text on the t-shirt, and I would just design it and give it to them. But as soon as my 12th boards ended, the same date ended, I started working on this startup. I learned everything. Like for the like 2-3 months, I used to just learn whatever I could, like how to make a website, what is this legalization, what is taxation, how do companies work, what is registration, intellectual property, everything I learned in those 2 to 3 months when my class 12th exams ended. And I built a proper e-commerce website out of my own for like in that time only. So in May, I remember in mid-May 2019, this Vastrkeda brand got established. It was registered with government. It was registered with intellectual property, and it has that cool R mark over it. For the whole year, I did not study. I was failed in half yearly. Like that was really, I was never failed. I never failed in school, but in half yearly physics, I was failed, and I was like, man, मैं fail कैसे हो सकता हूँ? प्री बोर्ड्स 1 में भी आई गॉट फेल्ड, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट बाउंड्री पे नंबर्स एंड प्री बोर्ड्स 2 में भी वही हुआ. बट दैट फेब्रुअरी मंथ जो था ना, उस टाइम आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई गेव अ लॉट. मैंने बहुत पढ़ाई की उस महीने में, जितना हो सकता था उतना पढ़ा, एंड आई मैनेज टू स्कोर 91.4%. दैट वाज अमंग द टॉपर्स ऑफ द स्कूल, एंड आई फेल्ट रियली गुड कि यार वो जो स्कूल में फेल हुआ था, जो स्कूल में मस्ती करता था, एंड आई वाज लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई वाज आउटसाइड ऑफ माय क्लास विद माय फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज नो वन यूज्ड टू एंटरटेन अस इन द क्लास. बट स्टिल आई इवेंचुअली मैनेज टू स्कोर decently good enough. Then college admissions came, and I took admission in MIT University Mumbai. So when I went to Mumbai, there were a lots of ups and downs there because I really feel that Mumbai is a city of crazy people. So if you're crazy enough and you go to Mumbai, you will see lots of ups and downs, and those downs are like heartbreaking. I still remember that I was not able to create videos. मतलब मैं एक टाइम पे जब मैं हर 2 दिन में एक वीडियो डाल रहा था, व्हेन आई वेंट टू मुंबई, मैं 1-2 महीने में 2-3 वीडियोस डाल रहा हूँ. सो फ्रॉम देयर लाइक दिस अप्स एंड डाउन्स आर गोइंग, एंड नाउ लाइक फ्रॉम द लास्ट 1 year since I went to Mumbai, I experienced this thing called spirituality. I thought that let's include this domain. Now let me talk a little about my YouTube journey. It was like, as I told you everything about how this YouTube thing came, but back then it was really difficult, like, you know, how learning editing and learning shooting and all. It was really difficult, but I somehow managed it. So जब pandemic हुआ, I came back to my home, so I was seeing what are the things going on, and I remembered that in my class 12th I thought कि यार कुछ ऐसा platform होना चाहिए जिसके ऊपर you can it's very easy for someone to download educational material, because at that time I faced hell lot of problems. मतलब हर वेबसाइट पे 10 signups, इस पे उतना पैसा दो, इस पे ये sign up करो. So I thought कि यार there should be something which is very easy to use. So I came in contact with my friend Atharv, and we started one website which is now growing as a startup called Padle.in. So if I talk about right now mental state or whatever I feel like, so for the past 3 to 4 months I'm going way deeper into this spirituality thing and opening the realms of higher life, which is not technically higher life, which should be the actual level of our life, but I feel that somehow we have dropped our level of life, not of anything else, but we have somehow dropped that level of our life. So if we talk about where does the motivation and inspiration come from and how do I maintain consistency, so I do not think I am the right person to say this, but since MCT has asked me to say this, so I would say that if I talk about motivation, then I really feel that previously it was motivation about, like, you know, channel growth and growing of businesses and all, but now honestly I feel that my motivation comes from my personal aura. Like, if I am with a friend, if I am with anyone and I can make him or her a little better than what he or she was before, that's the motivation for me, and I am really honest about it. If I go to any friend or any random person that I'm talking to, I wish that I could just take that person a little bit high on his or her mood. If he or she was a little low, then I just try कि मैं उसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर पाऊँ कैसे भी करके, and that is how it works. और मैं बहुत ही, and one more thing that I have learned is that I don't get over excited about things very suddenly, because a lot of, you know, as a content creator, you receive a lot of mails, lot of opportunities, and I have realized that only few of them work till the end. So I get really, I don't get over excited about anything. So I'm like really chilled out, as I said earlier. I'm really grateful, or I'm blessed to have got parents like these who have supported me. Like, I would not say they were like, you know, as I said that I live in a small city that is not very open-minded to everything, but still they told that if you can manage your studies and do whatever you want, we don't mind, do whatever you want to. And I was like, okay, इससे अच्छी और क्या बात हो सकती है. Next thing that I'm grateful for is that I entered this ocean of spirituality from the last 1 year. It has improved a lot in me as a human. Maybe it does not reflect anywhere, like anywhere on the social media handles or anywhere in any businesses, but yeah, I really feel good about it. So I am grateful for this, that we live in a really good place, that we don't have any problem for food, any problem for clothing, any problem for shelter or anything. So now if I talk about suggestions for the YouTubers, so like I still don't feel that I should give any suggestions, because I am not in that level to give any suggestion. But if I wanted to, one thing, maintain your consistency, because I have seen I was not consistent and that was really declining. That hurts a lot. So stay consistent. And one more thing, just chill out. Like, don't किसी भी चीज का इतना लोड मत लो. If you are working on something, you should be like, I am chilled about it. You should not think about कि यार मैं ये करूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, मैं करूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा. Just chill, stay chilled यार, जो होगा वो हो जाएगा. So just stay happy, stay chilled, and that's what. I'm really grateful for MCT having me as a part of this video representing Madhya Pradesh. I am really grateful about it, and that's all. Like, there are a hell lot of things to say, but since we're in time constraints, so I will skip it for now. But yeah, definitely one thing that I would like to say is just stay chilled. Don't think, don't overthink. जो होना है वो हो जाएगा. अच्छा हो रहा है तो अच्छा होने दो. अगर बुरा हो रहा है ना तो वो और भी अच्छी बात है. If you are going through a downfall, then it's the best part of your life. You should be really lucky that you are seeing a downfall, because आगे चल के अगर आप ऊपर जाते हो तो वो ऊपर कैसे डिसाइड होगा? वो उसी बात से डिसाइड होगा ना कि आप कितने नीचे गए हुए थे. So that's what I wanted to say. Now, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, My Canvas Talk, for having me on your show. I am really blessed about it, and see you soon. Bye bye.